Hi everyone, welcome back to another lecture in the Tailwind CSS course. Today's lecture is about the color and background styling. We'll learn how to use Tailwind color system, apply background, gradient, and even design some cool looking button. So if you've got your HTML file, open it ready, let's jump into color magic with the shades from 100 to up 900. For example, you can use background color 500 or text green 700. The first part is the color name and the second is the, let me show you a few examples. We've done some of example in the last lecture, but I'm gonna make a simple paragraph and on it we're gonna add a class. And on the class we're gonna take text red 500, a div, and on it we're gonna add some of classes like background color, background like 700, and padding 4. And you also know a padding in CSS, how it worked. Look how it worked, and we're gonna add some of center that we explained in the last lecture. Look, he's in the middle center of the website. Okay, and you can use this color for a background, text, border, shadow, almost everything. You can easily apply background color with a background color name and shade on it, like background indigo or background color 100. Look, like now we're gonna make another div, and on it we're gonna type like this like background color blue 600 and text white to make the text, not the background. The text is white, and we're gonna use the p/4 and the rounded. Look, rounded is new for you, and I'm gonna explain it for you. Rounded in Tailwind CSS is used to apply border radius to element, which make the corner curved or rounded instead of shape. But I'm gonna use the default on it to make sure it's default. Look, there's a small curve on it that you can like large to make more curve look. Now we're gonna explain the gradient and opacity. Tailwind also supports gradient using background gradient 2 and type what is to right to left or left to right. For example, from purple to pink. I'm gonna show you now how to make it. I'm gonna make another div. The classes is a background gradient 2 to R. The R part means to right. The gradient flows from left to right. And if you write a left, like this L, you're gonna make it from right to left. But I'm gonna use the right to left because I want this from my project. Do you have a problem with that? Now we're gonna from purple to pink 300, and we're gonna add a text is white, padding 4, rounded, like we made in the last